Oh,
in the Piedmont of North Carolina,
from my county.
southeastern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of uptown Charlotte, or near Reedy Creek Park, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mid-Hill, Harrisburg, Mount Pleasant, University City, Reedy Creek Park, Midland, Hidden Valley, East Charlotte, Matthews, and Charlotte Motor Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, and Union.
I was kind of expecting that to happen. I was kind of expecting an SVR. I don't know, I just had a little feeling in my, my conscience was telling me these were going to go off today. I didn't think the storm was going to be that bad. But I had just washed my car too. But thanks for y'all for tuning into the video. Unless there's a double header that wants to interrupt.
Radar indicated. Impact,
No.
damage to trees and
There we go.